Hi, I just finished the session with Tatiana and wow, what a release. We did so much work, like 3 hours. I don't even know by the time. The time just went by. It's just the amount of work we did. It's really the same as 20 years of therapy. I just feel so great and so grateful. And I feel such a release happen. I was feeling cold and then I went into a complete release of DMT because I feel so high. I feel so high, and it's now late, probably 11 o'clock in the evening, but I won't be sleeping because I'm high. I'm high of energy because all this energy that was dropped and released, and now I have all this energy to do something with it, which I will for sure. I can't wait to see my new life from tomorrow morning, starting from right now. But yes, new me, new me, new me. All right. Thank you, Tatiana, so much. Mwah.